Vibro kene kalong kancing pentip kalong tang nam ta kinong Eastern West Khas Hill District naka benta kancing rke ka National Sports Day arjar fly ka Office of the District Sports Officer West Khas Hill District Nongstoin in collaboration with the Office of the District Eastern West Khas Hill District Mairang kin conduct e karon 10k bat ka 5k mo kajing mare ka balong 10 km bat 1 km Tekane ka tang nam taki Nong Eastern West Khas Hill District categories kalong junior boys and girl 9 years to 15 years kadeka 1 km but ka senior men and women ka balong 10 km Participants should be resident of Eastern West Khas Hill District only kan mau kata tarik kandai 28 August 2023 ar tarik jong August arjar apply kapor kalong new bajem step Tiki cash price nam ta kane kalong nam ta ka 10k first day 1000 second day 1000 third day 1000 rengkat bat ki consolation price ki balong nadu nomor saw hadu nomor shipo kin ai mar sanspa marwe tenam ta ka 5k kalong ban kong 1000 bar kasan spa balai 1000 rengkat ki consolation price nadu basaw hadu bashipo kin ai mar sanspa marwe karut nam ta ki 5k kalong ki starting point po DC office Shalom Soklur straight toward petrol pump then U-turn back to DC office ngatrai platip hi kinong Eastern West platip ha sport registration from 5:30 am to 6:30 am kan mau kumut baha ka aru pratarik hi kinong registration kata ka sport registration pihak poi kham koloi kumut kin sedang aduk san chiteng hadu ndriu chiteng nomor karis kan sedang new baje mstep tegi bakwa bana simenta sakan mau bat poi Route 10k, nam ta katan k kajakawan mare kalong sedang na DC office, Shalom Soklur, turn left toward Tirot Singh, office of the Himano Cloud, Mairang Ba Equal Jewel Park, the Lang Stadium, Presbyterian Church, office BDO Mairang bypass, Ti Padang, St. James, turn right toward DC office, and finishing point kan Debesha DC office. But ka nekaway kalong tip, participant taking part in this round will have to bring along with their original birth certificate or Aadhaar card for verification during registration. Dia kapor registration pihak berak ID mau katakan will have to bring along with their original birth certificate dan Aadhaar card. Bagi don kami ka birth certificate kami tam begini kepada ya 5k marka de under 15 9 to 15 years. But ka Aadhaar card man verify marka ne ka tang nam taki Nong Eastern West Khas Hill District ibah poka Eastern West Khas Hill District tekan mau kapor kadai registration maybe on spot registration mo ar pratrik August arjar apply peban poi sanstang adu enrustang kin sim kerteng ban yo ban ya imare nam taknik jing mare bat kares kan sedang nyo beje te tang kini jing tip kubleshbon